Today I'll be giving some first impressions on the Fantik NB8 Flip portable sprayer. I haven't seen anyone talk about this on YouTube yet, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Here's the sprayer itself. It has 3 modes: high, medium, and eco. It does have USB-C charging. It also has quick connects for both the hose and the nozzle. As the name implies, it does flip, which is actually very helpful for storage. And here's the nozzle. It comes with a 0, 20, 40, a gentle option that they call foam, and then a 20 angled. When first turning it on, you do have to get it primed, so just hold down the trigger for a few seconds, and then you're good to go after that. I have some ideas of how to use this, but for now, I've just got the hose in a new 5-gallon bucket. I'll have it secured later, but for now, it's just floating in the water and it's doing just fine. Here, I'm just going through the different spray patterns to see which one I like. I'm pretty sure that 20 degrees is going to be what I'm going to use more often than not. Going through the different modes, I'm not sure which one I prefer. For rinseless washes, I suppose the eco mode will be more than enough, but I'll probably end up using it on high, at least for the wheels. Now here's where the sprayer really shines in my eyes. I don't do much mobile work at this point in my business, but when I do, I'm typically doing a rinseless wash on a ceramic coated car, so this will be more than fine, especially for the wheels. The included hose is 2 meters long. This is probably my least favorite part of the sprayer, and I'm going to look into upgrading it if possible. It will get the job done, but I just don't love it. I don't see myself ever actually using the included foam cannon, but I suppose it's nice that it's included. This wasn't made for us detailers, so I'm sure for cleaning off a mountain bike or something, this would probably make more sense. I have a few maintenance clients lined up that I'm going to be testing the sprayer on, and I'm going to make an update video once I have some real world experience with it. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have anything you want me to try out with the sprayer. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to go buy this. It's normally $99, but there's actually a $20 coupon right now, at least at the time of recording. Here's just an example of how you could store this. I put it in a little bucket dolly, and I've got it actually in this little storage case. I keep the hose at the bottom, and then inside of the case I can keep a few choice chemicals. Like I've got 16 ounces of ADS Hero, I've got a little bit of Oberk rinseless, I keep a clay bar in here, and of course I put the little gun in there too. I don't actually have a lid that fits on hand, but you can use your imagination. You can maybe drill a hole for the hose to sit through, or you could just simply use this just to keep everything sealed up.